For years, people that have owned air fryers have not been satisfied with the results that they get. And that's because there's one particular problem inherent to air fryers, and that is that the heat source is up above the food and it projects the heat downward on top of the food. Well, the folks at Eden Pier were listening and they figured out that to have one heat source at the top creates problems. So they did this. They added heating elements on both the top and the bottom, and boy, does that make a huge difference. The food cooks evenly, browns better, and nothing comes out soggy. Now, if you're not a regular subscriber, please indulge me for 1 second. I would like to sincerely thank my subscribers for giving me a thumbs up for every video I put up and watching to the end, because that sends a great message to the algorithm and that helps my channel grow. Thanks, guys. Now, the folks at Eden Pier sent me this air fryer at no charge so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, here's something that will probably surprise you. Thanks to what the manufacturer calls dual heat source technology, this air fryer does a fantastic job cooking pizza. And because there's a heating element on the top, the cheese and toppings come out perfectly cooked, and the bottom of the pizza is golden brown and crispy. Plus, with this extra large 12.6 by 12.6 inch cooking tray, you can make a full meal like these extra thick pork chops and veggies all at once. One of the biggest complaints that people have about air fryers is that there's never enough room for French fries. They tend to pile up, which results in them kind of soggy and not very crispy. Not with this one. There's plenty of space to spread them out so every fry gets crispy. Inside the box, you'll find the air fryer, a user manual, a recipe book, the removable basket, and a wire rack. The control is super easy to use, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time, but I just want you to know that after you hit the start button, there's a short delay before it kicks on. And the first time you use it, it might seem like it's not working, but don't worry, just press start and then relax. Now, I've reviewed a lot of air fryers over the years, and most of them end up with my friends or family, but this one I'm definitely keeping. I recommend you give it a try. Thanks for watching.